Right.
Okay. Hello. I'm Anit. Yeah, good morning. And we have Brian here. And Andrew are going to be the assistant. Going to give you guys a quick introduction about Múa Lân line dancing a little bit. So first thing, Brian going to show you in the lion how to hold. So come this way.
Hey, you guys call your parents yet?
So inside the lion, go ahead, Brian.
Inside the lion, we have two diagonal bars. So this is the front of the lion, and this will be the inside of the lion. So you have two bars holding up the lion. This is where you do most of your moves. And you're going to grab one lip and one bar at the end. So you have a good feel like this. It'll be hard to see. You have it right here. If you're right-handed, you put your dominant hand on the bar and your less dominant hand on the lip.
And the reason,
vice versa if you're left-handed.
And the reason for that is that you want to make sure that the lions open the mouth or close the mouth whenever you want to. And at the same time, you still want to have stability on the lion. So that's why your dominant hand is going to be on one bar and the other one you close the mouth. Okay? So that's as far as holding the lion. Now Brian and Andrew is going to demonstrate a little bit to you of a few stands. Okay? So you're always going to start out with a lion with cái tấm này gọi là trung bình tấm, right? Which is a horse stand they call it. You want to come closer, that way you don't lose sound. And the lions, you don't want the lion to tilt down at the beginning. You also don't want the lion to tilt way up. You're going to see the face. So you want to be right in the middle, okay? So right there, and Brian, if you stay lower a little bit, okay? Sit down a little bit.
Yeah, you can stay. I'll take a moment.
That's where you want to start, okay? Whenever you want to start a lion, that's what you want, okay? So let's walk around the lion so that we get to see the tail and the back and whatnot. Whatever move that you do not show the head, okay? So the head of the guy in the back, you do not want to show it. So you want to make a nice and smooth transition. The guy in the back, stay a little bit lower. See, lion looks a little bit better. Andrew, move back a little bit. Right. Okay, you want to do that. Now, whenever you perform, you want a backside to follow the feet of the guys in the front. That way you don't stretch the body and it's going to screw up the lion, right? So when in the actual performance, you might want to move up a hair, okay, and so that you can follow better. All right. So Brian, when you show a couple of moves, say you do about 5 moves, so they get to see the rhythm. All right. Ready? Go. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, lions want to do 3 moves. Okay. You want to do a left, right, up, whatever, the left, the right, the middle, up and down, whatever it is. You want to do 3 moves. So you see Brian do it, he does in 3, right? Back and move một lần. All right? So Brian, once you go to stay lower a little bit, okay? Cross over to your left and then go back and then do a blink, okay? Yeah.
Like this?
Yep. Yep. Okay, so go back and do that same move again. Okay? And make sure you go strong and fast. Go. Alright, blink that. Okay. Blinking for the lion makes the lion looks like it's alive. Right? So you want to continue doing that. Alright? And lions, you always, at the end of the move, you want to be still. You don't want to move around. Okay? So, see, strength and power, that's what you want. You want the lions to move fast, you want the lions to move with power, and you want the lions to be still. Okay? Blinking and flip the eye is for that string inside. And we'll make sure that you utilize that because that is going to help you a lot to make the lion look lively. So Brian, try that again.
Same thing?
Yes, same move. Okay. At the beginning, obviously the tail is only trying to follow, but as you do more synchronizing stuff, the tail is going to know what the head is doing, and that way it will follow better. Okay? So that's as far as all the basics. So go ahead and take the lion head out. Can we show some stance a little bit? Take the lion head out.
show them the strings.
They know where. So with lion wise, then you show them horse stance. Okay, horse stand you want to stay low like this. Okay, the most fundamental of the lion, yet the most useful one. You're gonna use this stand a whole lot more than any stance. Okay, and then you have the thump, which is the one in the front like this. So show that. Okay, put 30% of the weight on the leg in the front, 70% of the weight for the leg in the back. Okay, and you want to do that. The lion do a lot of this. Okay, so switching leg like that is very crucial. Okay, bây giờ chạm bao tấn. You can do the long one. Yeah. Okay, this one is the one that also used a lot. All right. So when the lion moves, you just want to extend, pull back. Okay, you use a lot of that. Okay. So Brian, you want to try that? Show that move real quick. Do a couple of easy moves leading into that one, and show a little turn. Okay, strength and power, huh? Okay, see how he started out with a trung bình tấn, right? We would like to be a little bit lower, right? Yeah. See, when you do that, you show the legs, right? When you show the legs, looks like the lion's nice and big, it's aggressive. All right, go ahead, Brian. Okay. All right. See that? So with all that combination of stuff putting in, you want to break it down a little bit between the moves. I just want to show you a variety of stuff. But if you break it down a little bit more, then that way, you know, you have a little bit of a distinction between moves. And I'll show you what that means. Okay. So earlier you saw Brian did a lot of the moves continuously. Okay. But you can break it down like this. Okay. Start out. Hold. Okay. Alright, so see what I mean is that you're doing the same thing, only you break it down a little bit more. Alright, so that's that. Any questions, let me know. Brian, thank you. Thank you, Andrew. They're going to come back with you guys on other clips. Thank you.